Looking for the best packing cubes for international travel every traveler needs? You're in the right place. After deep research and careful comparison, I've rounded up the best packing cubes for international travel to help you travel smarter, safer, and more comfortably. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe for honest travel gear reviews and expert tips. And don't forget to check the description below for updated prices and exclusive travel deals. Let's get started. Number 7. Wrangler Allesium Luggage and Packing Cubes, Red, 4-piece set. Make a bold statement with the Wrangler Allesium Luggage and Packing Cubes set in vibrant red. This 4-piece set includes packing cubes for organized travel and a durable, easy-to-carry luggage system. Lightweight construction means less stress while traveling, and the bright color makes it easy to spot your bags anywhere. Built to handle frequent travel, this set provides spacious compartments and smooth glide wheels. It's perfect for anyone who values both form and function. Whether you're packing for a short getaway or a longer adventure, this set makes it easy to keep everything in order and look great doing it. Number 6. Samago Luggage Sets and Packing Cube Travel Set, Noble Golden. Travel in luxury with the Samago Luggage Set in Noble Golden. This hard-side suitcase is made from lightweight polypropylene, offering durability without the weight. The double spinner wheels make navigation through airports smooth and effortless. TSA locks add security, giving you peace of mind on every journey. Included packing cubes help maximize space and organization inside. The elegant golden color ensures your luggage stands out at baggage claim. Perfect for family vacations, business trips, or solo adventures, this set offers functionality and flair. Whether you're checking in or carrying on, it adapts to your travel style with ease and sophistication. Number 5. Hines Eagle Rolling Backpack, 42 liters with 3 PCS packing cubes set black. Meet the ultimate hybrid, the Hines Eagle Rolling Backpack. This 42-liter carry-on converts from backpack to wheeled luggage with ease, making travel super convenient. Airline-approved size means no extra fees or hassles at the gate. It includes 3 packing cubes that keep clothes and essentials neat and separated. The padded laptop compartment protects your tech gear, and the sturdy wheels roll smoothly wherever you go. Jet black design suits everyone and adds a professional look. Comfortable padded straps make it easy to carry when needed. Great for business trips or weekend getaways. This bag does it all, combining function, style, and flexibility in one sleek travel companion. Number 4. Taskin Air Max Heavy-Duty Vacuum Compression Packing Cubes 4X Set. The Taskin Air Max compression cubes offer serious packing power. With 2 black and 2 olive green cubes, you can sort items by color for quicker access. These cubes compress clothing tightly using a mini pump, creating extra space for souvenirs or essentials. Built with heavy-duty material, they're tough enough for frequent flyers. Ideal for longer trips, they help you bring more without checking extra bags. The vacuum feature makes packing faster and neater. Whether you're flying abroad or heading on a road trip, these cubes simplify the entire process. Travel lighter and smarter with this all-in-one solution. Number 3. Vasco Compression Travel Packing Cubes Set, Black New. Pack efficiently with the Vasco Compression Travel Packing Cubes Set. This sleek black set helps you stay organized and maximize space in your suitcase. Each cube compresses clothing to save room, making it ideal for longer trips or small luggage. The durable material holds up well to frequent use, while remaining lightweight for easy carry. Perfect for organizing clothes by type or day, these cubes keep everything in place and wrinkle-free. No more digging through messy bags, just unzip and access exactly what you need. Whether you're on a business trip or vacation, Vasco cubes add convenience and style, a must-have for travelers who love packing smart. Number 2. TUMI ExtraLarge Packing Cube Travel Suitcase Organizer, Black. Keep your suitcase tidy with the TUMI ExtraLarge Packing Cube. Designed to hold clothes, toiletries, and bulky items, this cube keeps everything organized and easy to find. The black exterior adds a modern, polished look while ensuring durability throughout your journey. Its large size makes it great for long trips when you need to pack more. The high-quality material resists wear and tear, making it a great long-term travel solution. Use it to group similar items and reduce mess in your luggage. Lightweight yet tough, this cube is built for serious travelers. Whether you're going on a business trip or a vacation, packing becomes smooth and efficient. Make travel easier with a cube that simplifies the entire process. Number 1. Wrangler Miami Luggage and Packing Cubes, black, 4-piece set. Travel smarter with the Wrangler Miami Luggage and Packing Cube set. This 4-piece collection is perfect for organizing your clothes and gear with ease. The durable black design looks sharp while protecting your belongings on every trip. Packing cubes are included to make organizing quick and mess-free. The lightweight frame makes carrying effortless, even on long travel days. Smooth rolling wheels and sturdy handles add convenience to every movement. With plenty of room for all your essentials, this luggage set is ideal for weekend getaways or extended vacations. Say goodbye to clutter and hello to a stress-free packing experience. Whether you're heading to the airport or a road trip, this sleek set delivers style and function in one, a solid choice for frequent flyers and travel lovers alike. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with fellow travelers. You'll find links to all the featured products in the description below, including updated prices and exclusive deals. Got any questions or a favorite travel gadget of your own? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear what works for you. Until next time, travel safe and stay smart.